This is my 2012 Smart car, and when I bought this car, I had no intention of engine swapping it. But some unfortunate situation led me to put in a Honda D series engine in the car. So here we are. We're going to test drive the car and then we're going to tune it. So stay tuned for more. Yeah guys, today is the day. I said we're going to do it. Today is going to be the test drive and then tomorrow we're going to tune. So the tuner is actually logged on to the computer and they're doing the remote. You know, they're doing some trimming, you know, with the fuel wheel and everything just to make sure that everything is fine. So go and test drive it. You know, it don't shut off with us and it don't do anything that it's not supposed to do. So they're actually doing all of that right now, but you can see the car fit up. Everything is on it and we're ready to go. Dammy sent me a voice note the other day and he said that this car is not going on no record to go to the dyno. I need to drive it to the dyno, so you know, we're making sure that everything good so I can actually drive it on the road to the dyno. That's going to be cool. I don't know how we're going to manage with the heat from the engine inside now, but we'll manage. We have a cover for it. We don't know if we might just put it on it just for the drive, just because it's not fully, we're not going to fully install it yet. Just going to cover the engine, so to take some of the heat off of the inside. We might just drive with this back open like this. Yeah man, so I'll make some room, make some space so the car come out. I don't know whether they're going to bring out that BMW, you know. The BMW look risky. The man have a table for the engine. Look at that. Table, you know, an engine, you know. Somebody have to go sit down on it, Flintstone. Alright, we'll put on this. So we're going to put on this plate on the car. Like I said, it's not registered now, so we're just going to put this plate on it. And hopefully, if the police say we're on the road, they just, you know, understand that we're just only doing a test drive. The car is not like on the road permanently. It's just a test drive, and then tomorrow now we're just going to tune the car. Make sense? We're using the road, but just temporarily. You know, come in. Come more answer one question where everybody asks me. See? They must say why you make the fan them a pull instead of a push car like how the car bring air from the direction.
The cool radiator faster, the intercooler faster.
Yeah, so when you
pull back from behind you.
It pull from behind for cool. So
yeah, from forward it. When you go, you breathe and blow forward.
Yeah, but so that they're under so this around us fresh air there.
Yeah, for this.
Yeah.
You drive from the engine.
Yeah.
You try to prevent it from the engine.
Okay, so would that pull air from the engine if you pull that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pull the air to the intercooler.
Okay, so you blow it away from it.
From the intercooler so it won't get hot.
Okay, so you know hear that now. No can stop asking now, alright? No can stop. Yeah, that's what one of the questions I'm saying most of the people ask. Yeah. More put this on us. So. You know? Yeah, I just want him to explain, you know? Oi. Take your time. You clutch sharp. Yeah, put in the lock. Put in some lock, man. You can't so short and him can't say. He say he can't say. Put it.
Alright. You run lock up. Watch.
Go forward.
Watch.
Oh, I see it there back too far. Pull it up now, man. You see it have slide, you know?
No, it can't slide.
Yeah, what you talking about? What that? Look like you want wheel already. Put in all I lock now. Oh, that carried over there, so. Just watch that carry there, man. Put it in the lock. Everything, everything. Where in glass they want to wash off. In mirror they want to wash off. Or in mirror want to adjust. You can't see. If you want to say go, man.
This is supposed to be it now.
Yeah, one more lock. That would be cool for the video.
Yeah, just lift it.
Yeah, that would be sick for the video. Start up and go on. Yeah? Yeah. the back bumper wants one, you kind of feel loose. Want some clip? I have clip with them. My yard. Guys, don't mind the dust, you know, don't mind the dust. You just have to test drive it and then I'll wash it off later, you know. The glass, clean off the glass, you clean off the whole body, clean off the glass so you can see.
What's it special and you can't dump you?
No, we have to clean this up, man. We have to clean up the program.
So that's why I'm saying call dump you? And it's sharp, you know. When it's go up, you know.
When you're done, you can take off them. Alright guys, so this is my biggest project yet. You would consider this a bigger project than the 190 Benz?
Yeah.
It's a bigger project.
Not started.
Yeah.
And we get it started, so.
And the Benz was a conversion, but this was more straightforward. The Benz was more straightforward. This,
Some more conversion.
yeah.
Tedious things,
Yeah. Alright. Make sure you can see. So what go on? Extreme performance. So anybody want them conversion, extreme performance, so the number there. Yeah man, big up extreme performance, you know? This is extreme.
You drive it?
Yeah, it's lagging already?
Yeah.
In the kitchen, cooking. Yeah, but the suspension don't drive bad. Food.
Yeah, put it back.
Yeah?
Put it back.
Alright. Man, this is surreal though. Machine. In there kind of hot guys, but we have to deal with it. We have to deal with it. I thought the suspension was going to bounce too much. Well, not too bad. Oh, I'm not even test the brake before I come in. what it's like to drive in an engine.
Aye.
Yeah, smooth.
Yeah, fine, yeah.
Smooth.
How far do you want to go?
We go up on the boulevard and go up and go
Just
down.
carry up.
Yeah, it's nice, man. Yeah, man.
Smooth.
It's
So
smooth.
we're going to have another.
Smooth. I think the suspension would have bumpy, but it no, you know bad.
I want to go and do already.
But guys, you know what? This is what it feels like to drive in an engine. It's an engine we are driving now, you know. We have to cover it tomorrow. Yeah, man. It's a sauna. So the first drive went well. Come and show you something. I realize that we never put first drive on the list of things to do, you know. So fuel line set up, everything set up here. So but the first drive, we need first drive shadow and then dyno. But guys, the car drive smooth and the tuner said everything is good now until dyno tomorrow. So dyno tomorrow. Alright? So stay tuned for that. It was awesome.